Happy Friday, y'all. Happy Friday. Whew. This me is that you, y'all. Ooh, it's been a long week. My sister been on vacation, and OMG, it's been a week for me. But anyway, y'all, it's all good. It's Friday. I made it. But I'll be so glad when she's back tomorrow. And so, y'all, I know a lot of people don't like to get on camera in their glasses. Now, I know I look better without my glasses. I mean, everybody do, because your glasses cover your whole face. But I'm okay with it. I'm like, one thing I learned in life is people gonna love you for you. And you just got to be yourself. You know what I'm saying? I need to get new contacts. Actually, the last couple of times I went to the doctor, he didn't want to give me contacts because my pressure was a little high in my eyes. So, but I know I can go to this other doctor. But anyway, I'll have to say this. Y'all, from this angle, when the sun hit me like that, I look greasy. I'm well moisturized. I'm going to say that all the time, but I am definitely not greasy. But my pet peeve is for somebody to be ashy. Like, right now, I need to put a little more lotion on my hands. I don't like ash. To me, ash looks like you ain't taking care of yourself. And you don't, people say, man, your kid. My daughter said they used to go to bed, they would feel sticky. I had so much Vaseline on them. But I just, I don't like to see little kids wrinkle. I don't know. I don't like to see their pants too high. I don't like dirty shoes. That's just who I am. But anyway, y'all, I just wanted to come on and say that I was talking to a friend, and she was saying how everything is so expensive and people having a hard time, and the utility bills high, gas creeping back up, a dozen of eggs very expensive. But we have to realize who's in control. God is in control of every situation. And and I said this before. This was on one of my hauls. At what point does prices become so high until people stop purchasing the items? So for me, if it's something that I need, if it's something I need, whatever the cost gonna be, I'm gonna pay for it. Now, if it's a want, I'll walk away from a want if it's more expensive than what I want to pay. Like, I noticed the other day, I think it may have been Monday or Tuesday, we were talking about on the Today Show that there has been a decline in the purchase of beer. Well, I'm not sure how expensive beer is or how much more it is than what it has been. But at some point, if you're being responsible, you have to sit down and rationalize what's more important. First of all, we should be trying to save because we don't know what the future holds first. And then secondly, when we make purchases, we got to be smart about it. Like, do I need this or do I want it? Is it important? Can I do without it? Especially when things are high. Now, when it's cheap, I ain't gonna lie. When things are cheap and on sale, especially if I know it's something I have in my rotation, it was cheap, I told my brother, I'm going to always buy at least two. Like, if I paid, like the chicken wings, I had gotten chicken wings because I think I did drumettes out of them. But anyway, I had bought them. I had paid $15 for a pack of Sanderson Farm chicken wings. So a week and a half later, they went on sale and the packs were $7. So you mean to tell me the packs of chicken wings are now half of what I paid the last time, and I'm gonna only get one? Nah, not me, because I'm gonna at least get two, because I've got two for the price of one. You get it? Yeah. So I don't know. That's just how I am. But actually, with those chicken wings, I bought 4. So I won't be. And then I bought that. Then I turned around and bought the wing portion. So I'm not gonna be buying chicken wings for a while. But when I get down to the last two, I'm gonna restock. That's just how I do. I pre-plan, and I'm a critical thinker. So in doing that, it makes me more conscious of what's going on. I see, the prices ebbing and flowing and things like that, and that's how I make my decisions. But I'm stocked now. My refrigerator, my freezer, I got some things in my brother, so I'm good. I'm not, and like I say, unless it's a darn good sale, and right now today I could kick myself because blue plate sandwich spread, you can't find it anywhere. But the last time I saw it, it was at the store for $3 and something cents. I was like, well, nah, this is cheaper somewhere else. So I didn't. When I went to the other place, they didn't have it. So when I stopped being able to find it, I couldn't find it anywhere. I should have went on and paid, but like I say, I didn't know. I didn't realize that just that soon it was going to be wiped out because somebody, what they went and just bought it all. But yeah, so you just don't know. I be trying to by me being in retail management for a long time and seeing the upcharge on things, and I'm just more aware of how that works. But anyway, y'all, I just wanted to come on here to say hi and see how everybody is progressing in this new year. Today is Friday the 13th. Yeah, Friday the 13th, the first Friday the 13th in this year. But I'm not superstitious, so it's just another day that God made for me. Yeah, but I just wanted to come on and see how everybody was doing. I really don't have nothing in particular to talk about. Y'all, I had to end up trimming my hair. I did end up permanent. Remember I told y'all it had thinned out, but certain times of the year, that's just what my hair does. And my daughter's like, go natural. We natural. Yeah, but for me, when I try to go natural, it's something with my scalp. And I think I'm going to go to a dermatologist because, like I told y'all, I can't do the updos or braids or anything, because anything that pulls my hair from my scalp irritates my scalp, bumps it up and everything. So that's why I just roll a set and go for the week. But check this out. I use sometimes the flexi rods. The flexi rods, the first couple of times, it just recently started. It hadn't been doing that. But now, when I put the flexi rods in my hair, if they pull my hair at all, I bump up. Like right here in the back, right now for the flexi rods, I have like a bump there. It's my scalp is so weird. As a child, I was like that. We used to have to use the Therazest grease. It's like a medicated grease, hair grease. And why they got these things here? Oh, the Martin Luther King parade this week. Yeah. But anyway, so I wasn't able to find Therazest anywhere, and I was in Houston, this beauty supply store in the hood, and I found some. Yep, I found some Therazest after all those years. But anyway, y'all, I'm rambling. I just wanted to come on and say hi. I didn't want to talk about me. I just wanted to ask y'all how y'all was doing. Make sure everybody's straight. Praying for anybody going through anything. Life could be difficult sometimes, but keep your head up. Nothing stays the same. Tomorrow is always a chance to do better. All right, I'm out of here, y'all. What the hell is this car doing? Okay, I'll talk to y'all later.